Good day, kids! Today we will study divisibility. We will tackle here the divisible by 2, divisible by 5, and divisible by 10. Let's take up divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. You call these numbers as even numbers. Let's have examples for divisible by 2. Take note that a number is divisible by 2 if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So let's have some examples. We have 43,090. The last digit is 0, so this is divisible by 2. Next, we have 8,472. The last digit is 2, then this is divisible by 2. We have 62,394. The last digit is 4, so this is divisible by 2. Next, we have 898,426. The last digit is 6, so this is divisible by 2. We have 634,648. The last digit is 8, then this is also divisible by 2. Let's take a look at the last digit of these numbers. So, you see that all of this ends with either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Now let's take up divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is 5 or 0. So you only have two choices, 5 or 0. Let's have examples for divisible by 5. So we have 150. This one ends with 0. So it says here if it ends with 0, that is divisible by 5. Next number is 825. This number ends with 5. And it says if the last digit is 5, then that is divisible by 5. Let's have another example, 821,640. This number ends with 0, so this is divisible by 5. Next, we have 4,030. This number ends with 0, so this is divisible by 5. Next, we have 6,245. This number ends with 5, so this is divisible by 5. Another one, we have 798,895. This number ends with 5, so this is divisible by 5. Notice that all the numbers here ends with 5 or 0. So, these are the numbers that are divisible by 5. What about divisible by 10? A number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. Let's have examples for divisible by 10. We have 6,080. It ends with 0, then it is divisible by 10. Next, we have 580,900. It ends with 0, then it is divisible by 10. Next, we have 15,870. It also ends with 0, then it is divisible by 10. Next, we have 8,400,850. This one ends with 0, then this is divisible by 10. Next, we have 92,750. This also ends with 0. So this is divisible by 10. Next, we have 10,291,960. This one also ends with 0, so this is divisible by 10. Please note that no matter how big or small your number is, as long as ends with 0, then that is divisible by 10. Let's practice identifying numbers if it's divisible by 2, by 5, or by 10. So let's take up this column first, the divisible by 2. So it will be divisible by 2 if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Let's take the first example. So this one ends with 5, so this is not divisible by 2. Next, ends with 8, so this is divisible by 2. Next, ends with 0, divisible by 2. Next, ends with 5, not divisible by 2. Next number ends with 6, so this is divisible by 2. And the last number ends with 0, so this is divisible by 2. Now, let's take up the column for divisible by 5. So, number should be ending with 0 or 5. First number ends with 5, so this is divisible by 5. Second number ends with 8, not divisible by 5. Third number ends with 0, divisible by 5. Fourth number ends with 5, so divisible by 5. The fifth number divisible by 5 or not? No, because that one is 6, so this is not divisible by 5. The last number ends with 0, so this is divisible by 5. Now, let's take up the divisible by 10. So, if it's 10, then it ends with 0. First number ends with 5, so not divisible by 10. Second number ends with 8, so not divisible by 10. Third number ends with 0, so this one is divisible by 10. Next number ends with 5, not divisible by 10. Next number ends with 6, not divisible by 10. And our last one ends with 0, so this is divisible by 10. I would like you to take note of this one. Okay, you see, you have all the checks here for 2, 5, and 10. So, means this portion here are all divisible by 2, 5, and 10. It also means that when number ends with 0 or divisible by 10, then that number is also divisible by 2 and 5. Again, all numbers that are divisible by 10 or ends with 0 is also divisible by 5 and by 2. That's all for today, kids. Thank you for watching. Until my next tutorial. Please don't forget to share and subscribe.